Welcome to NVK Projects Work and Training Institute.
In this video we see about manual sheet rolling machine. The main obstacle of the machine is sheet metal processing industry. Sheet metal rolling is one of the most essential machine, but it is very costly, so large scale industry only can buy. Small scale industries are unable to buy, so we design manual sheet metal rolling machine for small scale industry at a low cost with high efficiency. The sheet metal is placed between the rollers. When the use of the hand till we rotate the shaft, the sheet metal rolls between the rollers. It makes a rolling process. In our institute, we provide mechanical, automobile, mechatronics, main and mini projects are available here. All over Tamil Nadu, project kit material delivery in 3 days, free online demonstration, online payments available, 100% working delivery. For more details, contact below number. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.